What if Peugeot, known for its elegant French design, decided to take on the pickup truck world? Meet the 2026 Peugeot 504 pickup truck. A bold fusion of rugged utility and Parisian sophistication that might just redefine what a premium workhorse looks like. But here's the question. Is this the pickup that finally makes practicality look beautiful again? Stick around, because this one's full of surprises. The all-new 2026 Peugeot 504 pickup truck revives an iconic nameplate with a completely modern twist. Gone are the boxy lines of the classic 504. Instead, this pickup brings sleek, aerodynamic styling and the brand's latest futuristic light signature. From the front, it's unmistakably Peugeot. The 3-bar LED daytime running lights on each side, paired with a bold grille featuring the Peugeot script, give it a clean yet assertive face. It's modern, confident, and very European. Something you don't often see in the pickup segment. Moving to the side, the proportions are well balanced. Strong shoulders, sculpted door panels, and large multi-spoke alloy wheels. It's not just about utility. Peugeot clearly wanted this to look good in your driveway too. The stance is commanding, but the design remains elegant. Almost SUV-like in its refinement. At the rear, you'll find one of the most striking elements. A full-width LED light bar that runs across the tailgate, ending in signature vertical light blades. The Peugeot name stretches proudly across the center, and below it, the simple 504 badge pays tribute to the brand's history. It's a blend of heritage and innovation done right. Now here's where things get interesting. Could this be Peugeot's first electric pickup? The brand has been pushing heavily toward electrification, and while they haven't confirmed it yet, the design language, especially the closed-off front fascia, hints at something more futuristic under the hood. Step inside, and you're greeted with one of the most stylish cabins ever seen in a pickup truck. The Peugeot iCockpit layout dominates the dashboard with a compact steering wheel, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a sleek infotainment screen seamlessly integrated into the minimalist dash. The Peugeot lettering across the trim line adds a premium touch, and materials look surprisingly upscale for a utility vehicle. Soft leather, brushed metal, and subtle ambient lighting. You can tell Peugeot didn't want this truck to feel industrial. Instead, it feels like a premium crossover that just happens to have a cargo bed. Comfort and design come first, but practicality isn't ignored. Expect multiple storage areas, rear USB ports, and tech features like wireless CarPlay and driver assist systems. But here's the big question. Will it have the muscle to match its looks? Peugeot could offer both diesel and hybrid powertrains, or even go fully electric to rival the upcoming EV pickups in Europe. Imagine a quiet, torquey electric 504 cruising through the countryside. That would be quite a statement. So, the 2026 Peugeot 504 pickup truck isn't just a new model. It's Peugeot's declaration that practicality doesn't have to be boring. It's stylish, futuristic, and could mark a major comeback for the French brand in the global pickup arena. Would you choose this elegant European pickup over a Hilux or Ranger? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more deep dives into the world's most exciting new cars. Until next time, stay curious, stay driven.